tools.
This is how to use the massage tool by Body Back. So to use this tool is really simple. Like, you can play around with it, you're gonna figure it out. But there's a couple common areas that I feel people definitely experience pain a lot or need a little more help. So one of those areas is on the back of our neck. So a lot of us hold the tension right here because we're leaning over our desks a lot, we have little issues. If you notice, they have these little balls in different places and different widths. So you can find the one for your body part that you need to apply the pressure, where you need the help to make sure that's comfortable for you while doing so. So I would take these two, and I can bring them behind and line them up right on the tissue. And I can pull it forwards and then bring it down. And that really massages the area. So I can pull up a little, out and down. And you'll feel it out. You'll figure out what you need. Another common one is in our shoulders that a lot of us get. So I could take the end of this hook, I can apply it to that spot, find where it is, you can move it around easily, and then once again, I find that area, I can lift it up a little bit, pull it out, and then pull down to release that knot. This is really versatile, so you could be applying this in different areas of your body really easily. Once again, that's where all these handles and hooks are so nice. So if we're trying to get to our lower back, I can easily bring it around. I've got these two areas to hold on to. I can apply it to these different areas of my back. Also, it's super easy. It's really lightweight. You can throw it around, you can do whatever you need to, get it around your body. Don't have to worry about weight ever being an issue with this.